Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video, we will be talking about how to integrate Callingly with HubSpot. Now, before we get started, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot for yourself. So let's just dive into our tutorial now. Connecting Callingly to HubSpot. So steps are going to be navigate to integrations page from Callingly dashboard. Click on connect button next to the HubSpot integration option, and then select the HubSpot account you wish to use on the screen that pops up to grant Callingly access to your HubSpot account. The point to be noted here is that if you are not logged in, you will be taken to the HubSpot login page first. Click the choose account button. The HubSpot connection will happen and you will be redirected back to Callingly. Choose options. Now that your integration is installed, you can set up a few options. This is where you can also change options in the future. To locate these, click settings next to the HubSpot integration in Callingly, and we have name, synchronization calls to HubSpot, and synchronized lead owner to HubSpot. So yeah, these were some features and options that you can utilize to simply integrate Callingly with HubSpot. And I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and before we get to the end, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.